Welcome to Poemsphere.
Hickory dickory dock ran up high with lots of luck. The clock went tick-tock. Duck said quack quack round the block. Hickory dickory mouse climbed up fast inside the house. The clock went tick-tock. Mouse said squeak squeak on the clock. Hickory dickory cat jumped so high, imagine that. The clock went tick-tock. Kitty meow 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 on the block. Hickory dickory frog hopped along through the fog. The clock went tick-tock. Frog went ribbit ribbit